In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Nest app not working. The first thing you want to do is close the Nest app completely. After you've closed it, launch it open and check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to clear the app's cache. For that, go ahead and open up settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. A list of all the applications on your device will be shown. Simply scroll down and find Nest from this list. Now, you want to tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. After that is done, launch open Nest and check if the issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, open up Play Store or App Store. Now look for Nest. Here, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After you have reinstalled it, open it, log into your account, and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.